Yo, thanks for watching Finnegan's Garage. I appreciate it. Do me a favor, subscribe to the channel and tell your friends. Right now, here's an update for you. Remember that 57 Chevy that we found in a junkyard in Texas during our road trip home in Lincoln Hawk from Arizona? Well, Dave bought it. Dave brought it home. Dave is swapping chassis right here, right now, and putting the Roadkill 454 with nitrous in it so that he can go to cruising the coast this October. If you're out that way, you'll be able to find him out there. In the meantime, here's an update on what's going on with that car.
It is time for a shop update. The shop is a complete disaster right now. I gotta clean it, but this is the Toyota pickup truck that me and Finn bought out of Florida. It's still around. I wanna make this my race truck probably next year. I love this little truck. Maybe next year we'll start working on it, but for now, it's just gonna sit. All right, it's time to get to work on the 57 Chevrolet. This is the car I bought out of Texas. This car is for sale. Wow, that's actually not that bad. Maybe I should call him back and ask him how much.
You were just on the phone again. What happened?
Well, I'm looking at this car. He said this car is real rough. I'm looking at it, I'm like, to me, that's not rough at all. Like, look at this car. Like, the quarter panels are intact, the doors are intact, the fenders, the front bumpers are here, the firewall, but look at it. This car is actually not bad.
Well, I guess Dave's buying a car.
Yeah! In the middle of Texas.
I'm just here to support his bad decisions.
Got it from a guy named Dickie Jones, who's had it since 1977. It came with a clean and clear title, which is cool, which you don't see in Georgia much because we don't require titles. But the plan is to take this body off and put it on this chassis over here that's under my 57 150. This is the car that Finn got me for Christmas.
So it needs everything. Like, there ain't much to weld to. But it is a 57. And at one point it was blue. And that dash is not cut. And it's exactly the same shape Blasphemi was in when I bought it. And this is now yours.
What?
Merry Christmas.
Really cool car. Missing a floor pan. No big deal. But this is what they call a California frame. It's a one-piece box frame. It's in really good shape. It's nice and straight. And I got some tubular A-arms to go on the front. QA1 sent me some coilovers for the front of it. And Quick Performance is going to build the rear.
I need to ask you one more time, can you hit the subscribe button for me? You probably forgot to do it. I know you want to. Right now, please. Thank you. On with the show.
It is finally time to bolt that crusty thing to this nice chassis. A list of things I've used so far is the OG Roadkill Ramp Trucks 454. That thing's really clean. That's not the original motor that was in that truck. It's a crate motor that was put in after the fact, but It's a super clean motor, and last year we put that in my Nova and put a new camshaft in it, did a few other things, but it runs really good. So it's ready to go. The long tube headers came from Speedway. The Magnum 6-speed is from Silversport Transmissions. It's got a dual disc ram clutch in there. Trans mount came from Speedway. It's got QA1 coilovers on the front. It's got a Ford 9-inch from Quick Performance out back with a 389 gear. Good for 1,000 horsepower, same thing that was in my Nova. It's got 3-inch lowered leaf springs from Speedway on the back. So the car should sit pretty good. I also got power steering from Speedway, which should be interesting because it bolts right here and comes up right here. So I think I'm gonna have to reroute this tube over and down to clear that, but I want power steering on it. I want all the creature comforts so I can get in this car and drive it anywhere and be comfortable. It'll have heating and air. It's got power windows. I want power, everything. It's gonna have power brakes. So it should be fun, especially with that 6-speed. We're getting really close. The car is completely wired. She fired right up. I couldn't believe it. I'm literally leaving for Rocky Mountain Race Week right now. I'm heading to Oklahoma, but when I get back, all I gotta do is put interior in it, which consists of carpet and seats, and bolt the doors back on it, and she should be ready to go. Good enough for me anyway. Still need to bleed the brakes, do a couple little things, but we're building the doors right now, putting all new like window felt and seals and everything in there. And as soon as we're done with that, we're gonna bolt those to the car. I'm gonna throw some carpet in it, bolt the seats in it, and go do burnouts.